Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial video from How to Log In. Do you wish to change your Bumble name? Or perhaps you performed a typing error while creating your profile, and now you wish to change your Bumble name? Well then, this video is just for you. Keep watching until the end to figure out how you can change your Bumble name. While you can use the Bumble application both on your smartphone and your Windows PC, in order to change the name, there is no direct method. For now, you will need to send an email to the Bumble team. So in order to do this, let's use the Windows browser, since the user interface is much more easier. Type in bumble.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you into the Bumble website. From the website, scroll all the way down and then click on the FAQ button. You will be taken into the support page. Now you can use the search box to search for help regarding various issues with the application. Type in change name and press enter. From the search results, click on the first link which says my name is incorrect, how can I change it? From here you can click on this link and you will be asked to fill up a few information. Select report a technical issue and make sure you type in your correct name in the name section. Then enter your email address. Now select your Bumble mode from the application mode that you are using. Then select which platform you are using the application on. On the next step, click on Profile plus Photos and you will be asked to provide a description of your problem. You can just type in something like, I misspelled my name, and could you please change it to this? You can also attach a screenshot that displays your problem by clicking on the plus icon. You may also provide additional information if you wish. Once you have filled all of the relevant information, you can click on Send Message. When you click on this button, your report will be sent. When your issue is resolved, you will be sent an email within the email address that you provided. So that is how you can change your name on your Bumble account. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you wish to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.